ha ofa ha be si ha e kame kwa se one
Babre Kasiana woko Yale Kasiana what the two so woko
he serious
and kayase a Yale graduate a finance minister ya bra body
serious
oh yeah say he went to Yale Oxford I go to every year Cambridge
ministers no there
obi ko ya metwa senior high
abenche
me say shiny fingerprint you see it's about akuma wo ema wo man
Sure.
tima wo any pepeyo any adwene obi on ma o oye din oye corrupt obi oye gidigidi oye corrupt obi oye din oye corrupt you see when the mind and say me bie bibi ama me mind na enye say me wiye sika ma busua adidi a wo be ye o man ni ye
Ghana no so de pay de ekon de obi aye na adwe se obeye ni yo because since 1992 ye to aba wo de emfa ne say ye democracy ba ya ye to aba ya ye de ade bi beto ya nimu e fe ne say constitution eno ane ya ba ni huri
kwaba no so de eno anso ne be kohwe kwaba the moment wo ha se se ho obanya adwene foforo e ma adwuma yi oniama obe nyina abo se enye papa because the mindset
and a lead you
say also boama adwuma ne koso no when you lose it now you find fault with everything that is done here and abotai no say e kwa be na be fa so a metimi anya me hotam wa ha and abegin say microphone kwa me two e kwa obi ehun tu betu akọ now need your CCTV na ya adwene na akachi akosi afato ka anim na fa kofi ma beji by the time oni be ba ho so no microphone say wa nyina ya tutu because nipa na otesro ho no me ya omo say na omampani bi betena dwamu a ne nkrofo ne ma omo ye no ase onhunu ya na onimpa president bia wo every blessed day up to the minute information na do ba want us no ka kire koda ewo o se na wo ti hanom wo so information me ade bia mo mfentro from be kan na be to mani mu ansa so ade bi touch ma ministry bi na ye hu ne ka ekona na do anim the only thing is say either he turned a blind eye or he was not ready to act the same with former president John Dramani Mahama, the same with Kufuor, the same with the late Mills. Obia no betima kachem say and not just say you are sleeping on the job period.
That's it.
They know
that's just operation course so ashama on the sanction.
No, what I'm telling you is say operation course so ashama ontumi gasa o mampani sanction but a serious
being the head of
a serious no and as a national security can the party be can't just on yawe tie utie ya almost say it was a sanctioned operation.
Yes.
So they sought permission from a high authority.
Sure.
And yet president on the other abada so open because he's a politician.
Na go bi so betimi
by be a chief of defense staff. Omo bebu sana. Abaka say move because in this year
obi betimi abusu ana.
Ozo man permit
omampani betimi ama order bra obi betimi abusu
na eni ana tamils ma order say mo nkotua iska ma wo yomi ena betimi odidrusu ene ayi mkotua kwa mama a good example president ka say mo mutua sika no ema wo yomi
afred
omo fi no hanu ko ya mangotua oh na wo di anu na ayi hwan kwa na atamils say o macho letter you obi adi kra san e bona made na we dey ne wan dey mame kwa homa no so na me ne slide check about honorable good morning.
Good morning.
Oh facha me pa on na dey ma how me machine no me yi kakra bi me ba cho me gidi se ho ye pa
me dey ache na mo so
ye ho ye pa honorable yan share Honorable Kojo Alan Chamatin, and Alan Kojo Chamatin. Otu okwa pro a okopie gamanche nim. Gamanche den sembi tu na nim say 2024 will be the deciding factor in the elections. Ebio they has been mistreated for far too long. Say, obitimi go see dan si baby abra all more authorities. Anama trankunya amane. No officer emra so say obompaye ma Kojala Nchematin or say I pray you win. Now win ya. For Hobart and Cranford now you see the light. And say mumu fa say.
No, no watch you ko echa tifo nyina. Na yede de bia ya kanu. Osun ni ahun brase na yede ko baby I agree there. Yen na beda Gas State, say I informed and the full Ghana Traditional Council, led by the government. They take control. On Ankasa, it's a Korean. So, 3.1. On a balance, maintain. Now, in some more kind of year, and Bible, yeah, a dinner chin, I bet you about no be a managing. And in Bible, will be only a conya of Betuaba, the first part of the elections, which is the delegate elections. The and the wish of the king, Mr. Alachi Manting, and there's a wish of many Ghanaians, Alachi Manting, Bedin Kunim. Now, Sabi, so many Mujidis will be doing Kunima, and can often hear some entry. I don't know, say and trying to say by ourselves. As far as in a only Mujidi, it was near me, in compare president, and you'll be to be far. Here some entry. Imam for a somewhat no more debate on much we do here some entry. And the son in a young Mujidi, can hear some channel. You decide a giant face or in a name a pump on now, I would Mujidi here. Now, Obidia or think and Casapa and summer or Heleno Peso can it true. The chief linguist in Taiwan or boy. Now, I think you time. Now, you in Taiwan, Baku. Now, or in the start, Yakasano, or seeing some more person can and your bomb pie, okay. And that is so refreshing to us. And you did say, or your bomb pie, the attitude was as in the Bible kind, attitude was no. Now, what would you know? Say, lunch, maintain. We knew one crank kuma. Here the Juma Ewon can come or think Kasa or more consider say is one of them. And for that reason, the war will dream so many Biano or Mayatachi or Dinkunin be a beba. Number what they couldn't be any bar. A man free said that we are a teacher of one. A 1 year son in law.
That's right.
Young Omomode said, Sedi Tibiano. Almost a woman. Omomode said, in cry. Is soon here. I'm a little I told one how look at your father say, Woman says, yeah, a buying a geno, a baby a chimo. It's a buying the a buying young fine yeno. Your more you say, a buying and releases answers in the Emma. That's a buying cry and young releasing my one, or someone who will see here. Now, or more can once a year. Now, said the bear, but none of any idea, this any in Nano, it be true, and none of I part of not buying a battle. I think so, Alan Chamantin, echo so, actually, almost said. So, or Suno Kokuruko, Yamanu Kuruna, you don't know. The symbol, or snow. The answer not Ghana State Union and your symbol, or snow. Now, it is not for nothing. It is because of the rule. And the people like the people like DJ Darocha, the people like Alajete, the people like
Beche Belamte.
No, yeah. Now, Okaya, Jacob Beche Belamte was credited for designing the emblem of the MPP party, and Ofa Osno. And then, you see, Gamashi, Gasho, Tana in California. And you did say, we have a spiritual connotation with the Ghana people. A boy so say Yang and California will take a center stage in supporting the lunch and things like they call election and I didn't call a battle. And see, which is a course over Honina and Lano. Now, a sham crime degree. I'm crying, and now you movie. Here's enough to say, making me a D in Kunim. Now, they did konya kɛseɛ no na alakyomante bi aso na ne the mechanic say me abato a yɛkɔyi sɛbi wohwɛ ahobrɛaseɛ ne pɛpɛ kwan so a yɛde bɔ yɛasoɔ and this is a consultative level na nkwasiɛ sɛ ne ba no sɛ yɛ nkwa bebree sɛ
okay, Mami Enya na when you say Ura television station ba wanya brama me say every permanent you better chinkom up bebre why. Okay. Arabo Silver started MP for English ya man from and oye Alan campaign team no di mu akotene pa ono so ba. Ya mama Mami che nkoma e dey Mami che so adwenche especially with vaccine and then sama gamanche kai
agota ne papa wuni ne di hu nkomo ya gamanche asemi enti sese no mpese o mo che sese o mo nsa ase a ye de abade ne nsa kane ade ade won fa na de
nsa ase aban no ege ye mre bi a onfa nye onse obutima koji obi asase ohini kra no ukọ kosese bia obeso osi dan after about 15 years wo ha obeji unkra se unya ready a tobu okọ abekọ na o ma de o ma sa ton
agota enkran die ne gamanche wo ken ne o ken ne gamanche wo ken obinya se bia nko baby o asante ne kan na yesu kumase se ye de attention nyina kogu nkran no se bi ba ne won kran no e bia 10% ye yesi de bi ko regional capital bia Kenny said he crew ayesi. Nipa bi kura call say enough of nkran. Yen starting a bia ye capital no kra no ke bi after every 10 years bia na say 20 years bia no ye moving ko different region.
He feels the indigenes are being mistreated.
Oh, development akoso nkran ni omuntutu furu no mfa nko ba bia Jaina Adea Akye egu nkran mu de na ye nkrafo dia. Adea Akye egu nkran japade Akye egu nkran no emu de na ye nkranfo de a o say amanfo aba beji wo majapade e de afiri wo nsem ya ho na build wo mu kro ne de ama wo mu
and any nation's capital you see that
yes.
Because it becomes cosmopolitan.
Yes, once ojitum so be capital sa o grip ne o hold na wo nsa se wo ne sa ne ma no automatically afiri ho Kumase Krano, it go to a time nan sasi bi nya na anu ya na se denyame
na about 400 acres bi
omo revert diama otumfo a baby wonu mo aban bi som baby wonu ma private people ebebam o hene no ne government institutions eno ti na nipa bi no mo call to say say GMPC nom ne ho ahwan omo movie omo headquarters no enko takra denom ene sa amia no a yetu sa oyo ne difro ho no mo eno ti na nipa bi nom so call say your niam kitten bi wono mo se movie headquarters no e call region no a ye ne kese no ti say be a gold ye tu free oboase na so gold for your mo oboase omo headquarters in crime adentia development papa nyina no womo new month ne ade development papa nyina no omo ye no won kran ba mo to gold no was e kra na se ade development no ma ye wo honom oboase akwan ne e friend say takwada mai ene ade na nsenya na from anyan kwanta to oboase man peni na nado dan kwakufu ado after how many years we gold ye to afri oboase iti mususu nkranfo no mo benefit afri niema ebias ye kase ye kapa na ni kwanse mo benefit sanglo gold to gold e wo boase no mo do musika no ebesi omo abro sai tententi kakra ka kunkumfa no esi nkran mo to gold on krada na ye bo East Legon Hills ye bo Hwan Hills emu sei no mo say eye indigenous Ga people no wo mo edia eye hoho ene u concrete e fra baby e bidi we World Trade Center den
AU Villa bakobo $5 million
hwa dia
ye ton
den nipa bedem akwata de no mo di fi no
AU Villa
den nipa bedem
o san ni wa yi na e wo o man it say Palm Beach or Dubai no that is the place how fair.
It's $5 million.
$5 million.
How many days you see that no? Amia.
How many gold? We service food.
It's
na Airport Hills crano. Say ho crano $1.5 million.
Airport Hills ya man 40.
Ayo.
Hey. And I'm saying quarter plot away.
110 plot. Yeah, no, I'm for Giga or Savage and Fiso say, oh, it's cover here or no.
What you got see down
or airport hills. No,
if you know one plot,
who are going to
2 plot.
But I only scout some more meal.
I would yes, sir. But once what you to say,
no, but Gaman just say, Yaw Timio, go to Aboboloshi. A more traditional place, they own the place. Oversee their friend on Kaya Ye hostels.
Yes.
From the information I gathered, they say the indigents and the authorities there were not informed.
Oh, Akunta. Me sure say a district assembly. To send you musibi oswame hey.
Very good.
Musibi
oswame. No cry no. Landlords for no sorry. Emma, entremu by ma.
Asasene da hwa edu baby cry no na habo criminals. Ena like nkomodidie course so say oh ye pe baby asi. Ti sa Akunta duru baby no mo pe baby asi Ashanti Regional Hospital se den dey no mo pe.
Na mo ko si se
wa go ma nya asase okumase. Omo kika bo mo ni ade no such edifice no.
For try adan.
That way is incredible.
I was always be ama.
Hene for the yes.
But at the end of the day so I go say adan dem come no.
Akota gamanche waka we nungwa say traditional Ga people mo community. I want to say alaju na e konkra na e fa hono mo ye jaide mo mo say aha de ye mo dia momfa omo ye hodai nungwa tesi nungwa eyo omo traditional town ye de ma osu some areas no yakota ko aya hwe krono ase development na twa fa ho but ye jaide mo say aha de ye mo dia momfa na mo ntra honom no development na wo honom still amanfo sebi ejeje omo nan ne sa ne niema
It was almost a bomb.
Akota so be bebo na o da honom na o don sa so da mirfe mo obede na wabo edu baby no mo complain say this current NPP government appointees a woman say
cabinet
e ni pa no kra on pe nyana no ya na ikwe otuma mpeni na nado danko akufado recalling from say Canada or say US no yeah Ghana's High Commission
okay
edu baby a ono akasa so nka nche ne nananom no na no nya na yewura ka kire ne nananom say so ya kani na ya santini a
ma
santisemi yaw ni ko say wura baby a omuamu ho ma obunya du say ya santini
legend
yes akota ye ja anya bro uko nungwa uko ebia alajo and this is buildings ebia ubehu but akota alajo yemfa wono nko abelempe yemfa wonko
okay yeah
onto the no friend nananom no nka nkire omo say it is about time mo so mo sorry na mo build them communities no dan say bet say ase mu jai e de ayeyi ama wo na mo afa ye wura se wo ye young man na osisu na asantini a mo ni nye dene
na ma asantise
mu hia pemko anim no matter ye mema na anya na ede enjiro mo se asantifo boys na say omani e den omo ye wa nya ne ede o ni wura ka kire no
ni wura se omani hia no
yes ye dey say from nkolabrem iti ade no ntimi cross obetimi
and that guy so yeah dead
na you been there with that
ejo my dine baba ye no cars na to nro na be fa ho
yeah
sa dine
koko edru no rom to do koko edru
unyo
koko edru no
see dey o da utimi na
ye ga wasu ebe ye
all right Vinnyaba, Olivia, now what to say? Maybe I will call. Aye.
When did you know when you're holding another beer? What you matter?
I want to matter. I know as you say.
When did you when you're pumping it is answering?
When you're back.
The air can win you now. Nina and said, or pumped in here, Chabby beer. If Samaka said, we is Kenya, now we will be a wapum day. And you know, so when you're pum dear, Metia cramming to Metina. It's your home day, as we hear. And your life, near all lifestyle. A quiet fast with D. I did hear you. So when did you obey? I don't know, bet now I chance over Yari and Sana, one who drew. A no be Brian, also a queen, yes, or side effect. And to some may I shall say, did ye? So did ya, Yari and Timmy Metina only pedrenum. Now, me, I make us say, Yari de Mina pain. Adriana me dear boy, meno. ene pese Ghana man ewiase nyina so fa saa kwan no so bi na ono so eboa no se wani di ya ochina wo be yare so obi anyare a omu enti ada na betina ho antenti adua ne fe future life wa ankasa wo board da che ho ban da bia asema make can say be your own doctor wa ankasa your own doctor ni nyina ne so obedidi yie se wani di ye na otete aduane bone gu ye ma ebobo dondo ama wa ankasa wasa ene yare bebre di ni panya da bia da be ka ho asem ni infections di obi atiminya emfa ho ne ba bia wo fi se sabe ma ne mema nhia mu no da bia obi ye
any mami ni komotiawa Reverend, good morning.
Hello, good morning, PSA.
Net to say,
yo,
na yes, what dance here be a future life for home.
I know future life for one of them. A very reverend. The face Agnes Yagenim watching. Let us sorry, I enter Grace Ministry. I know. First, let me walk from Quanta. Let me walk from Quanta. You work for the one, and I'm
okay.
They see I'm a best stadium, minimum what scoreboard on.
I'm at home.
May I for the grand and I'm a best say. If you're singing, I will say, future life of one, woman, and in our Diabano. A bamboo, Amma, Rensana, and what from any sugar, no, I will walk to me in a buffer. Now, maybe a software. Now, me, the press and a costo. After me, sugar, and so costo. Enti me kwato wa tonic nene wo ma dia ni bi na fe am sugar no eni me pressure ni nyina aba from ni sorry man obi aya ne ne test no e se ni sugar ni bi bia o fama na me de no kwa ho ni ma kwato dia ni bia man enti ama ya yewu obi a me kasa wo te me nka mi go mi dro ni mi bia no woni mu sa me ka no kure ya sorry no nsu yewu ya ba ya nya ka se bi ni nya 14 years 40 years, any family and Cafe. Now, what sorry, now you were 94 years, you are sorry, and you want my Gianni. Any woman and Rono, get the Freddy and Imidiano, and I'm my and then me too. It's me, Gianni, myself one in a yeah, I may catch that. We are sitting playing, I say, woman, enemy, the open of some mechanical. Woman to me, can never be a woman, won't go to me. So when is the Capra woman, I met to the Amano.
So for mommy,
yes.
There's a see, a bus now, bumpire now, yeah, sorry, one word in the Yagro.
Yami, would you have that stadium? Now, dear Mano, maybe I don't make one of me. Then Yami, you could not any year. My flower will be I'm not sorry, no, sorry, man, why yet?
Okay. Robert, Mami Fauci neko to aso ye nyame dwuma asama wo kano chese Mami mo amuni no de kane no wo Oxford oko ayi anwemu a kire hodum honum na no ye asori a sof Mami ana nkofo ko ne nase pa nyame ahoden wo no so e na wo de scoreboard achi wo hona no pay akra wo ya asori amanfo ni nupa nti onye nipa bia wo asa nipa bia sa keke ewo asante mantema titu kumase sof Mami a omu ni din kura na omu odin bi omode ma no nkofo ko ne nchen pa nti so odi adanse we a na wonim de oka future life ene tonic Mami ntiemo
woni say media ade ba ko have me asa me ye oba ni nti o infections no de wa esiko no ha adwene ti da bia ma fa to ho se o yo ba anaso ye be ma wo ba from 9 years bisane se sebe na se keka no anaso hu se ensuo bi firi ho ba anaso ne be ma me ye ne ya anaso nsan bi ego enkwala no munimo o eti o mukọfa bepe na ebedi ninya afi oba hu na asa ne mfe kakra ne ya ekọ na chi no afi ne kọ nani emo ana na ya sa de no be se o kidneys nyina ena timi block man bi tube so muntimi nyem wo menstruate kura ntimi ma esent mi ma nya cervical cancer afi wo no wa ya se yo ya wo ho na asa wanya kidney stones ebi ju nso moja eti sa emwa kakra no ha adwena nkasa ha adwena nkasa enti wo beso obi yare serious na ye sa emwa no sa emwa na enwu a bibia ne ho a wo ye beko ye ne wo TB wo ho a e leaves a eku sa emwa no eti bra so o so full alignment me say se future life dia empene ma yare entina woni padua num efi uti sukosi unase de ha obi a me say didi ye nyawa dwe so bedu stage bi na benu maduro Nyankopon de aduane ne kan ho say ye ni na mo ye ho ban ada na betena ho yare ansa na the future life no obo ade enubna no ne ya twetwe and it's a very full supplement boa wo nipadua no enti sa we live our problem o kidney our problem boa ma ni nyina kama enti ntina o ma yare ni unya hyase edi ne ne enuane aye di mframa aye home ensu aye no ni nyina anya hwe chance mpo aye no mu enti na Nyankopon oso de form dot onwunwunu nipa enti first ni edidi kukuo mu ni aye bibia wo kukuo mu ade ne enuoma bebra be frafra ma aye wusa eno be hwe se cancer pie nipa kro ha cancer no so ba ne fie gya nyina adum future life mpene masa cancer no mo ane ntina oni padua no enti be pebi akiri kwa aduane bo nya de 40 cedis sikadada no 400 ena de zero no so ye 60 cedis sikadada no 600 life tonic no 110 cedis enti bra so ye ho de ha ma na ye life tonic no obi na take across ma bre ena ye sinsu abegina obi akoma ho ne liver ho ne kidney ho ho ni ensam na doso afọ kwa na yem hihye bra so ye ho ye onema ho ye de beboa wo wo ba be kirechiro nuane obedi ene niema wuni ye be kiro se de we si aya wo life mponsu abanum nyina no future life box no kwa atwere agu ho ne exercise esa wo ye isratie fo ewu na doso ewu no adoso obi nyine me se so be so onya 120 years e wo wankasa wo ho so be so onya 30 years e wo wankasa ho ni nyina aye kwan obefa so obedidi na sa wo akola afoforo na akoma ne sabi fufu a akola no obewu na obenya kwosoko enti enuane a ehia ne Nyankopon de aye no for de ama akola no sa na future life se mpanyimfo de emprima ya rent no mu e no obehu yase obi anya cancer ne yemu nyina asai aha obehu na asel ade na betena ho ansa enti bra so ye ho ne nkyere kwan obefa so obedidi future life so for alignment ye ofri juada ekosi memene da ye sha adwuma se no nwotwe ekopim no nsia mapom de nti na ho obi amra ena ene so ye si due nyina ne problem ene nipa ni nyina ne kotodwe de sisi ne ho ahwa ne nyina ye wo ti bi wo ho a uve na ye den so uve ne ye den afi so usa uve na emre nyina na ye den ye wo ti wo ho a ye de be mawa uve ni nyina be ye mre wo be kire exercise a wo be ne kwan befa so a wo betena se momra ya so ye na mapom de nti na wo ho yare ya entra ma yare mfa wo no mum ebra future life wo ho yenu ani nya natural food supplement na hwe motabella na de sogum na ye seeds ahodo ene ye de afra enti wo hwa sogum no eboa wo nkasa mu wunyini no na ne ma bebre tichima wo nipadua no enti boa nipadua na nkasa high protein or zero smart wo pesa wo twe so abra ye ho natural ni many nyina na emema no so a omofo so manya prostate enlargement na cancer no ya na nyina infections na bra so ye ho ye beboa ye de natural enye kru fashion esiesie de ase ni nyina nti ye ho se ye beboa no bra ya so ye ho
eja
ya TFO bi emfre se ye ma me o ka ho asem ka so obeye no me kola na ye mgongo mfisa so no pay o ya sorry ba wo se aduane na aboa nkasa wo bepese obi a atibie asofo mpanyimfo ba ya ho a da wo muka na de wo muka ne se future life no aduane we de asa nwanwa ye de ye kamfo de amount se bre wudie no o men na esa aboa pam yare efre ho natural food supplement enu ntino chemical bi amfrafra mo enti se wunuro na wo kototo no pharmacy shops na wo nom no enu de Uba no more bedroom baby as a catcher or say a side effect. Na say no dear Ubekum Tromo no Jasadru. I don't know one for Unquadiane. If you're the author of medicine, the dear Drube Riase, or Cato Hansan or Cosa Bibiarama would do and you would draw, no would draw so and you would do. Susunum Nuro, no dear Wow, Susunum Nuro. Pressure no crocodiles and I won't know. Missing no one a best Kungo. A bear crab no na nothing in Apija. A bear crab no bones of whom ya. Name where you aduane a natural food supplement. Your friendly future a life. Won kwa na dacha obo ho ban. Ye kan form ase ba bia wo bia no. If you tim kosi na ase, yen mo boy ade din. If is FD ko ma yes akwan no. Name of the emi wo hunu ni say ebra wudi aduane no, ebe pam yare afri ho. Aduane no, 23 vitamins and minerals, 19 amino acids, selenium, modular, inulin, dietary fiber, omega 3. Ni ade egu aduane ba kum se didi na men. Nem pam yare emfre ho na yare ya yes aba num nuro sa usika na yesen a odi num nuro sa no dane ko aduane se na onyankopon ka kire Israel for Deuteronomy chapter 1 no dane fa ko aduane no matra bepe ho ache wanum nuro na che dane fa ko aduane na bra wudie no o men na be pam yare efre ho ya hwe ye kase ye sofo line alignment ye adwuma adwara adikosi memene da akosi aranko a na ye ma na emom nei montami bia ye bie Obuase de eyemienu Central Market Mr. Ochere Drugstore enchen ho and afi Horsey Park Sansu Station ubenya bi ewo kro from ha traffic light na se kwan a wo de call Moros Market no lemon happy lemon shop ho na wo and afi esu eboa enso ubenya bi ewo Duncan Williams asore ho no a me say bra ya hye ye ho neti e number na frɛ yen na yare ye ha wo no yen kwa na ebetima aboa wo enuro no de emwa wo enuro no me say wo bakwa na yasaka a kyerɛ sɛ wo side effect afa we wie yes yen nane no na generics bi na yakeka nka aborofo nwuran eno na besa ku wo ebe pagya na afa wakoma nyina ye kese hwehwɛ aduane ya kyire kwan na aduane papa de eno na wudie and future life near the life tonic nso aka ho 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 50 and a number for 0242 87 80 90 0242 87 80 90 some ya twop to memu ba bia freya na ye nkyira onedi aduane papa awrade nkyira monya.
All right, ya da ma se na ye tojumade no so e wa ha de amamo a na ye koya nimu a ne sa baby, will be no join us live on Facebook. It is time for discussion, and I want to believe you are ready and you're poised. See a bit you can come on. Francis Ado, Chiniaba Atnasi, Kwasiche, and Sunam Gazo. Francis, me watching. Now, I want to say,
yes, you are done. You're here. So, kakra.
Say, I'm penny, Dada, your mama, tears him.
Yes, what tears him all year.
So, I'm to say, come now, the force so tears him.
Sure. You want it there? You want him round or no? They agree there. Say, what's a umo be outcoin? Say, be NDC and see you be quite some one uncontested. And I see and sabotage you be on a contest.
Are you for? Who are you for?
Myself, I'm from His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
You're for John Dramani?
Yes, I'm supporting me fancy. Me supporting me friend your ma why year some time ago, and then they come back. Yes, every good turn deserves another. Inti saa nipa say no what's all man akwanya na what's aba no beto anwuma pa I feel say Dr. Kwabena Dufo is a fine candidate, no two ways about that. So former finance minister that, and he has his own records, but at this point in time we need His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. You Kwabena Dufo betimi about beboa party no, and I say even when we form the government he can still play a major role in the government. Okay, Professor, the very revered Professor Joshua Labi, currently on the Handle Mahama campaign. Some time ago, contesting, but almost after contest, Biano, your approach to coming back and synergizing, and who the kind of leader we are. What I say, currently, Professor Joshua Labi is playing a very critical role in the party.
Yeah,
Inti Yura Kwamnadufo, Sena Messer, Ede and Kukundi Obedi. Yebekwa ko ye no bedi nkukuo no but sera me sense ye odi nkukuo ni wi a after nkukuo na chi no omra ni na ye nya adwuma currently there His Excellency John Dramani Mahama he say obono ahafo regional obo apro enche bia na watchu ye mu he say nyame admo chena obetiesi asante.
I'm told he's coming on Friday.
Okay, Friday mo wonene.
I'm told he's coming on Friday. He'll spend 3 days. He'll go and come and do another 3 days.
Yes, Ashanti region there who here His Excellency John Dramani Mahama he would spend a lot of time here. Yep. My kind on a name fan shake my honorable Eric Asibe quite so constituency incoming parliamentary candidate here no or no your parliamentary candidate twemu adwuma oboy en kabo mo de ba constituency and nei o say ba say oba be so kwada so constituency.
Friend say
honorable Eric Asibe
officer ono na mbetima abo am kwada so
ono na na parliamentary candidate no wo ho we increase your vote e kwada so ono na aye bida inti ono wani nipa ye hia na wo so saba beto adwuma no so. You get the point. Also, Sabano bet for Jumano. So said the year free John Dramani Mahama Somra, San year free Ricasibi. Say on also Ranoma Bois. Now, quite so infinite to my prefer in terms of the NDC.
Let's first look at this vaccine issue that has come up. Obia Kahwasem or Mamuse, and he said, Yetrauma and Yama be say, Essi. Gamanche says that we have been mistreated on our own land for too long. And he's fuming. Say 2024 gas will determine the election. How true that is? is another asema ebetime didi ho nkomo. But first, let me hear from you on the vaccine.
On before issue of vaccine, Mr. Wa, Omanhene, Mamin Kwivu indulgence na kwesi ade twa mu Ofoikum constituency. Papa J, omo communications officer, organize a communication orientation for branch communicators. First of its kind, amehu e wa santemante mu a constituency communications officer organize bibisa ama branch communicators to train them. Saa na montuni anamo wose e bona baso na e be stress afoforo no maka they will engage in that. Omo ampenifo mo by regional communications officer and a deputy na anope me che omo Yera Abbas Nuruddin ene Yera mo Kamel ampenifo mo ba be boa nyina ye che omo na mabo Papa J Abaso Papa J Ofoikum constituency me bona Abaso. Zooming into the vaccine issue. Oman etoda ye na ye kasama amanyuku anase ya ye amanyosem wo man nim no edu ba bia ye mu bi wo hɔ a ɛya na ye hu ne sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ye yi political lens no ɛto na ya discuss issues no dispassionately said ye Ghana ni bia because Ghana ho abran ye bo sɛ me pe o me pe o sɛ ye NDC sɛ ye MPP Ghana ho bran ye bo nti sɛ me ba na me NDC ni na me betena be kan sɛm a emwa Ghana. All because me pese me party ba power na me nye Adea Akye Abia Ghana because me Ghana ni and yes say konfo boni begu nso a otimu bi ekro begu a konfo boni no otimu bi and apart from that no sabi so ma me ewu na so wada ebonu ntia na obi ekodi na ma me aduane a wo bekwa say yes Ghana e haya na ye free o say wo kwa ma no ne kwotena ma no ne sen ko bobra sen ya kuntuhwane ya na chia na eko ntu be saba ntu ba na beduru ha ni enya ba bi mfa wonto wo ba na beduru ha ni enya ba bi nsie wo a se wo funu o sama engine ba bi a wo be hu so one man vaccine issues here by I think the first of its kind me ni fi nyina me nteda se vaccine a enkra polio vaccine and a measles and a rubella eye a short to next time yenye bi kura wo man mu ama emmo franket na suffer the consequences of these actions. Making kind idea be free World Health Organization Omanhene Ministry of Health a partnership be on a 6-day national measles and rubella vaccination program be omo ye na figures are omodi tu dwa no oman na ehu no mo say in the year 2017 19 cases of measles and rubella in Yenyaye ewo ye northern regions no 19, but then in August 2018 na cases na increase to 29. 2017 and 19, then 2018 you increase it to 29. Ewo ehonko an. Now omo immunization program na omo yes omo bon ho bra no. They spoke about the fact that your vaccines are your wo my no. That was even last year. Omo my hint to say we are running out of stock. And so
that is 2022.
2022 yeah. And so ebeya as a matter of urgency no, yin take steps na yen resolve this issue we say. Oman ebiom mamen samfan to just say even aside eno for measles and those vaccination no, HIV antiretroviral medication had stock out in Ghana, and currently sa ndru no HIV antiretroviral drugs no yenya bi e Ghana has is running out of stock. World Health Organization ahenti yen and hint we me omode ma yen some time ago. I think say way by even in 2017 and as a hint we omode ma yen, and you look at a buying posture in relation to Sanioma, when I am the say, when you are about to know, say, in the MPs or more, can we say, same say, yes, Ghana and Nisi Kenti, or more Akatu also Majabo Sumeno, Ama. Na, and I say, I buy Becassa, and I say, Kubi Becassa, say, be I'm a Becassa, because a Ghana Munisi Kentino. From now till December, Yen Tiamoka, what will happen in this country? I allude to the fact that children are the future leaders of this country. It is a crown to fail at the ages of 9 months. To infant say
3 months, 2 months,
3 months, 2 months. Ne sankwani na was a warm. Na besine ye need vaccines. I de be mom.
And Omanhene media many fika coming who see a polio tie. Those times now omode flyer be bobo buying one we say bia akra wakwan and it is disheartening to see akra ketewa go through such. Measles yare bonia and this yare are part of the 6 childhood killer diseases. And Omanhene bet na omai muni di we so aye amanyosem. A government that says it's responsible for the people. Now, from last year October, WHO amawo hint to say you have run out of stock. What my yenhwan am ya bedru match am enne matese ese nkwa bi kwa ahwere wo nkwa.
Nkwara mienu wo esrem.
Nkwara mienu wo esrem. It is very, very disheartening to hear such a story. Say Saudi we see etini asi e wo Ghana ha ama mofra ahwere wo nkwa. Omanhene yentimi mfa Saudi we enye politics. These debts are on the heads of the president. Iwu we see on the health minister. Iwu we see is on their heads. Yese yakwa konya vaccines ni bi. And enra me tie pediatrician back. Was the vaccines na aba no? Sa 6 weeks no mo kan kra no. It's just an estimate. E bi kwana Andrew. Because currently demand there war for vaccines no.
There's a rush. So be a person in Babenya.
It is 6 weeks now. You can go one Andrew na vaccines na asa. And little did we know, so vaccines na yenya yenumpono a through a donor support from Nigeria. Say ye vaccines na ye peno yen saka e wo see sako replace sa vaccines do na yaje no. It is Omanhene say ye vaccines 1,000 and ye requested for 5,000 ye expect 5,000 about ye the 1,000 they say ko be ekoye, then we'll have 4,000. Still there will be a backlog. There will be a backlog. And only adi anko phone for madrin enko ho. You requested 5,000 vaccines. You didn't can kwa obi ama ye bi. The other ma ye no e ye bosia no de aboye. And so we have to go and replace that vaccines. And the young fan says say 5,000 na you requesting ban na. Ye kwa 10,000 na from side akosi be ye kwaji free ye. Na ka be 4,000 na ka no still na enso. Into Omanhene asem we vaccine issue we no enya asem e de ye amanyosem. Enya asem a ye de politics. Because ebitima ye menu aketwa. Ebitima ye unu aketwa. Ebitima ye ofase. Ebitima ye obabi. Nti me issues on health ade ya na me pese me de be politics. Yen na communicators etore bi wo ho a na pese wo de amanyosem fansin, but when it comes to health yen jai politicization of it. Because sabi se me nia yare me de ne hospital yen musa na NDC party card o. Sana wo fase bi yare ne de no se measles ya che wo fase yen musa na MPP party card when you. But the question I me busa me ho ne say Omanhene in sa issue where na situation where you woman nti pani bi a oye pani wo soro ho a wawo ne ba enya pane ni bia na. Is it the same treatment from penifo na wetimi aka so wo sika obetimi atua ne bia na? Because in all these things over here it is the vulnerable and the suffer. And here for now mu ni bi no omo no mo be kire omu. And you know Omanhene the 3 northern regions no the poverty rate wo ho. Inti vaccines no see e ton 20 cedis kra na obi wo soro ho ba bia obusa na 5 cedis kra wonya. But penny bitin crime ono no ne ba no ye wo na na enya bia ma no, even though ye say vaccines are short to Ghana ha no, some people are benefiting from it. And until the toda eba issues of health abibia no eya na me mpese me dia amanyosem be ko ho, because ebe kan obi ya mo fa kwasi je wo hui ne wo fa asi bia na ne na bi sebi se yemfa ne se wanya bia of kwasi je de oye former communications director of nya ofa phone efra ye benya bia ma no ebi nso na communicator bi o tie kurasi bi a oye information center so communication wo kwa won nantimpo na ekọ de de be fa ka go ni no se ni pasa no se ne hu bibi kan in this situation, in this die situation, as a vaccines are short, would that person get some? And so we are buying a message. Minister of Health say, Omo ascende info your friend is saying, Omo make request say ibimra. Yes, they should expedite it. Na emra eni ya because enkra eni kwan say enkra for so in this current 21st century. because of vaccines. Measles, ne polio. Because Sadia no before 2000, before the year 2000, and I hear concern your man home. Now ye say ye baby ye will eradicate. Say Omanhene Yaw omo launch operation B say omo eradicate totally measles from this country. Ache. So enye afi 2023. And ye be woman ye be start to say we are back to the era and cry a woman in your vaccine and found woman to give them life. It's a nipa too natural monkwa. Minister of Health, he should bow his head down in shame. President should bow his head down in shame. Say Nkrami and Monkwa in 2023 as a result of shortage of vaccines. Ebe mankra. Enkete nkwa. Ama san kra say no so entina make her say no so you free SHS. And also we sit down we and also we see we and also we chance we see we. Na say nipa nimu a ade na siwoni na ebe ye kwa. Say there's a glamisi way. Say nipa ntim. Look at how etie. Ba oba asokwa ma mpon. Say nipa tim. And so we sit down see ho and our studio kama na obi ansori ametena studio no mu a. Studio no be time. Nobody will listen. Obi antie. Enti say why you free SHS. Na nkra na e wo so munyini ba be enjoy ni ewu at this time. Not the cost 90. And the government and the minister had grace period from October last year. And yes, I say mama hint. And once me and procure now in March, I feel I'm when are we expecting it? The Modiabano 6 weeks in Andrew. So they are still kids are umunya beneficiaries of Adena Modiabano. What are those kids also saying?
Hold it there for me, I'll come back to you. I will see Che.
Yeah.
Nempom to say, Doctor.
Who's that?
The Biabu D.
Fireboy.
Yeah, the body, I see.
I show you.
Aso.
Don't mind me.
I'm a castle.
I guess.
Now, you shall vaccine once. I'm for say, what buying man you do?
That's this for the car.
And this Ghana for neck.
Ghana for Casa.
Say vaccine to me.
Yes, I did.
Net to say, Mammy, the
my mention, I'm a panchama. I think when I chef with you now, I think I say, come by Excellency the President, and I become a Dr. Baumia, but in paying for you now, near a tea for near for you now, so mention or Musunko Quasukra. Or my majority say about vaccines here. Maybe a very much peculiar idea who hear me because me a victim. Yeah, time, 1958 at 59, and I can pull you over. Me is an economic stick. What I say?
1958.
Yes, that time they been here.
Polio na ma.
Polio.
Na ma unya.
Polio o my. Me did 2 years no. Me sorry jina ho no. Na mo 6.5. Me nante da. Me sorry na with the aid of coaches. No me 6.5 years. Inti abasa since ni ade.
You're passionate.
Very passionate. Na mo no we no o say hu say tama COVID buy no. If you are saying an issue, in a Ghana and any problem was ever since you. The detail your references have been a lot of African countries are almost the same problem with the vaccines. Time COVID buy, most of the pharmaceutical industries in
attention
in than they call COVID vaccines. And the idea I who ye done. Yeah, Koba say na idea obia kra dwene kra da ko say bibi kra de polio ne saa 7 child killer disease. Enti ade nsem bebre bai. Ehun ekwatwe ade mo bibia. Eno na nam so ema aban we bidiri say ebia delay bi kakra bi ebe mo. Ana nya dia wo bekwa kogina store say mekoto vaccines na say wokoto. Eh World Health Organization for adwuma. What I say? Eno mo behwe say mo be procurement no na distribution bi ne ade no maye. Na ba bi e wo say bi kokra ne bi ko. Eni ya yakase enu ne biaba ya me hu se wotwe afren say okko TV so ne adade nyina na hu se biaba o ma sha distribution ya hu se Air Force plane no and the number.
Can I have the video of the vaccines at the airport? Yes.
Airport na say the nkofo yi ni ade e cho say aban na tuanamo enya de ye ni da ho
for it to happen.
Na make us wait no enya intentional e ya de ye worldwide issue.
But you were warned prior last October. And just say, coming, I'm aware. The World Health Organization hinted that we should be wary because vaccines can go short.
Now, vaccines can go short. vaccines a yɛ kan wa se mi sɛ kɔ shota ɛyɛ nkɔ yɛ ho ne akɔ short
countries bɛn na sisi a ɔmo di vaccines
wobɛtumi akɔkye ahwɛ I think sɛ wobɛnya
because wo na wo kan busa sɛ countries bɛn
mɛtumi ayi bi ama wobɛnya nkuro no bia no mo problem with that but ade a yɛ kan sɛ bi aba ama me tiri sɛ sisi a sɛ deɛ nyina yɛ hwɛ wɔn mu yi a ɛbɛtumi akɔ na akɔ wɔ nkɔfoɔ no ade na yɛhwɛ saa issue yi a ade bi a yɛ nyinaa no yɛhu sɛ aban no to anamo asisi a nanu no ɛkɔ but ɔman ayi ɛfɛ sɛ ayi menu ɛfɛ sɛ
Francis
Pachame Francis me fa nye politics aban should help by said in shame me fa nye politics are not to our day politics are not to our day and so fa nye politics what kwa aban be room the president should buy said in shame o man kwa one kasa 2015 actually 230 people died from cholera cholera under John Mahama what's the nipa me no wo nti aban ni sin trase Mahama on fa na ni hwe wiem 230 people ORS kwa no mutimi to na for the hospital garages na na yehwe wo mu a clear case of the port calling the kettle black enti na me wo mu kasa ya na du tambia me de mani na hwe wo mu 230 people wedo enya wo mu nya busafo no mu ni nkrofo wo mu hwe wo mu no mu nya parents obi no mu nya nkoda ebi nya panyifo ye nipa 230 timi wu ye e wo Ghana because of ORS you couldn't buy ORS and I've said ORS na no dey kunkwara
oral rehydration supplement
what you say
any dey kunkwara
o me tell say no boa what do me anto
overquesi cha no eja sa
o me pato o dey na dey kunkwara kwara dey o pese kwara ni je ye fin ada say fin ni be jaye ana say o mu bi yare a o be nya sa no man isuo ni ade what do me anto. And how can these people come and talk about say where's the president in Sinitrasi? Vaccines no so nyakopon adom. What the whole world? You call Germany coding komo Ghana ni Rwanda. Ani enkrom yenu a ya choose to say be the biggest vaccine centers. Mienu a ebesi na eno bia ya vaccine no nyade ya kokra. E dia ba ya bitimi ya okrom ya. Asesi aba no so aye board ya professor Sompa Mwatene ne mpanyifo nto e wo ho a wo mu hwese ya vaccine center ne ebesi ne yankase produce ya vaccines. Mama tra kroma da na o decide say vaccine center kro besi Ebola kro e bia ma kro mu ase kra na okoje huska Ebola no de yeden obaje tent da mo ji free o na ho na o de go see be dey say wa ye 3.5 million dollars from World Bank asa na Pentecost for sika o mo de ko e o ma ni nyina wo ba o be hu
yeah it's true
Pentecost for sika e de ko support no wotimi esi bibia friend Ebola center eso ni ajiska enti ko fo be kasa ne de mo fa to ba bi na mo ndoko mu because the name ni bebro ho a wo mo sheda and omede ye politics we say nya sempa ne nka edro no yase bi ni ho ya pre ho sa ene ebiaba unu ya bi wo bibi no so wo de fam okra unya wo de abre no a we so ye criminal
nti
a criminal
dauni anase so de bae
na mo no wo so wo bia wo de mano wo bia wo de mano na pe wiase mu a oman a aboaboa Africa fo a anya Ghana ha Omanhene ye ni na Ghana Guinea Mali ya tentam sika komo mu
that's right
Zimbabwe ya mwa mu South Africa ya mwa mu enti Africa hanu ya dwuma no se abeboaboa ye ho what I say ye wo ha say ye hu Egypt adan ya kwame kuma ko fa say Egypt ebisi krom na ebisi kroma
Alexandria University
busa no se na ebisi kroma enti ye boaboa ye ho enti anya nwanwa se bia obi wa duro no wo SS no se o menu asesi a wo hia de na age ne ade woni se COVID vaccine say wo friend say aba ese wo ama no ne ayen fama o ka se satam no na ade no ho dene o pipe bi kwa wonya bi ekoya kopie se this o kosi shake bi so na shake na koto aba ne ade ehun se bebe
na enyo no kre mo na mo fa akwati kwan so kosi shake bi so
me pa ya men kasa France
mo na mo fa akwati
Francis wo ya sa na o mame kwa mame so ma bad
mame nche
o so de obi be ma won pe na o so ya life
na no ba mi dim
mame nche
eti no eno ya ye kofa ba ye kura ye COVID no yi enani na minister of health for patcho se Ghana for mon ko ye jai wo
ababa ebusu ama
abusu ye wo enso so na de ye tweka gu wo ena wo de opa me enko je sika ne ya jibie ya ne se COVID tesia wo ya no ne nkofo e be ba bontre ena ba na nya yi ena wan kofa COVID do ni bia ma ena se COVID do bebu ye enso so a mon ko wan so a twintwan ye ngo enti this is there Oman, omuni any moral justification to talk about Sanema way. Not a single justification. ɛdɛ ba deɛ no wo ma kɔra nipa 230 wu kɔra o na wo bia wo bɛka vaccine ayɛ kra free baby aba ORS nye Ghana ya na nkɔfo yɛ bi
NS
chemist wo munye ORS utimi to man nkɔfo no me ɛno kora wo ntu pray no ɛti me patro ne ma ne basa yɛ nya botre wo mo yɛ nya politics man no mu no ɛna obetra dem wa meka nyamsem politics no obɛyɛ saa kodi so obɛso yakɔ ɛti ne yɛn tiase saa ne hu sɛ wo mu yi ba bia wo sɛ bi ko bia bi nkɔ ɛmete sɛ wo mu yɛ sɛ nkɔfo kɔɛ no a na wo yɛ sɛ ne deɛ wo sabeka ɛti no obi a wo nyɛ bia no nkɔ
ma me bra wo kyɛn na me musa asɛm wei ɔmampani dada ɛkɔ apro na ne nsɛm no sɛ 2016 na Ghana fo ho tɔɔ mu obi yɛ adwuma a ne kakra onya amembo no efiri Rollins so ɔkɔ n'anim kakra ɛna ɔde ma Jekofo kɔ n'anim Yera Mills be J kɔ n'anim ɔno nso so bɛsɔ mu ɔyɛ afɛ ɔde ma ne nua pani a driver no ɔde akɔhyɛ reverse beba ɔde akɔhyɛ reverse okay car ɔse COVID Ukraine now Ukraine 7,000 kilometers away from Ghana eti obisa Mose Cote d'Ivoire Senegal Benin Togo Mali Burkina Faso eti omo de COVID na bi nka omo now on the ɔse asɛm ni nyina etiawa ɔsamene up can I have the video of Omampani Dada talking about ɔse eye amemuo bone
that's it we are not about Chatham House Mama call US Chatham House Momo portion no okaye no ɔse sɛ ɔse COVID a devastated Africa ama na konachi yeah, I said the idea no tie no ehia say it take a long time before
I think we have Chatham House boy I check akranti I can't tell
hypocrisy wrong the can wasem mahama obuye say ye nyina ya jimijimi omu
say
omu Ghana fo nyina
how
na ka say mo de ne ka say ukojina botwa o ka sanko ukojina manoni o ka sanko omu ye we interview one of these international networks so time o ka say onim so ono na ebe lead NDC na bibisa
and so say 4 years no two you know
o kan wo
on the Deutsche Welle
said the friend say COVID in Ukraine no a devastated Africa amene o mama o mu hwe na ko mu mo Ghana pontie ne hu nipa na ye ne deal no oba be du krom ha de a o se ye nka ho obedu Ghana ha se dia eno de Ghana nka ho na mo ko do abochire no kasa na ye interview ne put no to the war o se a devastated Africa Ghana me jiri se wo Kukus clans ne so anamba aho ba bi na wo enti no o kan we adebe no pese o che then o pese o che francophone countries aye kan wan se ni nyina no obu nyina no omu currency no ye pegged with the French franc the France Bank of France na omu ye say enti omu na mani ntimi kai o de atwa ba bi se French speaking country one what kromo o sua French okọ classroom French na odi sua de wo kromo say uti fia wo country o ra classroom de ba for the ka edi sua de ene mani be bro ho untimi fa francophone no e ma me compare wa but even after anything crown you betimi akane de asiso say economy no ye better than John Mahama economy
really
100%. I say 2016 ya hoto 2016 na oba ha say oba so me a Omanhene ko nom hotel achi ho ono no muso so articulator and ade 12 na crofo da car say so articulator ma me phone with office a wo mu dwane ko Abidjan enye ho asem de ka ne wo mu a wo mu nyuma egu ye because of kania u fi da dem ho mo generator na ye be nwotwe jeni kansa na sisi wakwa me jiri se na no ko age store be se mienu ase ho e de koto diesel abegu abe power yi ai wana na ne wato no ano ti no ka se wo short mami no
yentie kakra
o eche COVID-19 any Russia o se ka no so hwenye no o se sia no na tuye me dana me dwen ho a me hwe kire a me hu se na nyame e be kire ni tumi enti no my free hot 2016 because me dwen say sanke mfi ho a anka bibia be bia enso Ghana fo ani If he said, Ombeka Sanka, Asimesi Baya, Anka, your brain na echa, Anka Simesi Baya, say nebeye, Anka Simesi Baya, say nebeye. And so, Omambo Wohui, at a relay race, at a driver for, who driving now do baby now bra, now they are mad driver for. Sana rolling say, no, the mark for. Omanpenyu Confonso, Adea Akye Abia, and the man Omanpenyu Mills dear Akye Abia, and the mammy. Miso me Akye Abia, and Minya Penny. Ezu, and Minya Penya, also name driving chair, Bia. And Obeji Shin. On changing gear near share, or they are two reverse. Oh, Mesomitical Numbi. Messinana, what they are two reverse, what they are two reverse. Oh, now unim day. And Ghana, Yechia Neoko, Yankosha, your bass now, she got a move one sum. You can't you know, and no, and a Kaya crashy because and then Oman Kasaka say a here na yaka intimintia Ghana Bakosem Munina, there's the first time. Yaka say, Bosia yabo intimintia. And Yaman on the Bosia Pukwon. Nya Yabo Bosia Ewo Ghana Mumpo, Yasi intimintia. Enti, I was me on control. Also, tie blast here. If you say, Nyomo can say, and yes, I went to me and bore my no. Yes, COVID-19 yare by no. And no, and a man of Bassa. Ezu, near who cram po HN COVID-19, any Russia and Ukraine or more common talker. Yembe omo yeni omo border and share Russia and Ukraine come on tokwa Ghana ufi ha call Russia and Ukraine na 7,000 kilometers na den na ntokwa omo ko na ye na yeti hu fifre. Meanwhile Russia Ukraine ho Poland ho Moldova ho Belarus ho and to acquire ye kono and come musica share bibia eco pepepe. And so yeah, West Africa, 7,000 kilometers away. Most of Montocano and I say your economy. Now some maybe Sunday say Russia and Ukraine and Tokwano. I then Cote d'Ivoire so niha. Togo niha. Senegal niha. Now then now mo do mo share koso and I dey say.
Okay.
O mind would say when you know ya. What was I saying? Okay, can we no dey na yaman koda no. Omo say omo koda no. E dey me pa no what is Muhammad Pia Bontin wo be kan dia to ho. Say me ba say na me ba be ye. It is a concert party. Na Ukraine on one kasa abibia wo bedru be bia wo abono ne be bia wo kasa no o say Africa are devastated because of Russia and then with the COVID. It is there. After identity na onu nipa kro na ansa ba be ka che say ena oba obedu Ghana ha dia enya dia ye COVID enya dia ye Ukraine enya dia ye bibia ne mo me na nado na mamu na ode akọ reverse wono na dia ye ko share reverse no bia wa ba bonta be ka se wa we na mama na kadompe eti anam no wai wa be we na mama na kadompe ama Ghana ya bo form say flat edeba no ye ede no ye pa de boy ye Ghana ase
unima dia am pere ba dia ba
because abman we ya wo so onye no otua nkoda fiso wo na wontua o man koda school tade wo momu ye friends and books o momu jerseys o momu sa nyama edi ko school yin o de ma wo mo akola no library ne nsuo ni adade nyina otua ma wo mo examination fees enkoda edi ko exams JSS for the otua SHS otua wo bia we say nyina hwe asa make sure say nkoda no betimi anya akonya anya loans e dey atoaso with the Ghana Loan Trust using only your Ghana card. Wabi we say nyina o wase ama wakwan. Wama railways. Wama airports. Okosi, woni say the chartered plane e call Sunyane. We are where? Chartered plane. Or the chartered plane jet and or the call Sunyane. Car be 10. Oh, Mahama arrives at Sunyane airport. Me pa to munyi.
Sir,
break bar me.
Sir, ni nua Ibrahim na de no call.
Ibrahim na de no call.
Jata.
Me say jata. Or the jet in a call here.
Jata flight.
Jet.
Na jet
Ibrahim
Mama de na AAE.
Or the jet in a call here me pa to.
So we say chartered. So which of the chartered flights are you talking about?
Na ka say kwa.
So bacho man
to street proof no kan.
O me say what the chartered flight na kwa me
chartered flight. Okay, say there at the end of the day no. Ebia ni nua no ebi otuai. Ebi so the moche no.
I know dem family ho ni nyina so the chartered flight na kwa.
Or the go see the new Sunyane renovated. Bacho mani kasahu. You have your floor why?
Airport na o say wonye ema Sunyane for bro half for bro mo peye bia mo nye. Airport wontimi anye. Ene His Excellency the President and now koye Sunyane airport. And or the jet. Every in crying. Adea Akye ama wotwa kasa na egu obese 20 ye ba be hia no kasa na do abu free crying ba wo da say no wonya ma ye president na de jet ko Sunyane na do di bi ko America na say o di bi ko amanoni ana wusu wo de jet aba Sunyane fa fom na hu say de nipa no epe ne te fa fom
na so ntimi fa akra fa fom
o ntimi fa akra nko Sunyane
o na nko Sunyane
me just on fa kanko ana ko mai onti de mekanasi onti mi fa kan ko Sunyane etu anu kwa na ye nipa okromu aje so charter flight na ka fa fom drivers no mu fa fom ko Sunyane ko sia no o mo no mu ye den o mo fa fom e ko sia me paton ma me kasa
Magnan na
what I say
no the flight na buy
ako Sunyane ako ju Sunyane
is a private business
what I say
please
ako Sunyane ako asa wo ko ye campaign sa sika na wudi tua flight ne ka no me giri san ka betimi dia ma Sunyane boys na no mu ye no ka betimi dia mo mu na ko mu dia bo mu bra wo be fa from no hu se de nipa hu na man no wo so ya wo the flight ne nam tam wo di president oba ha se ya no wo kokonongo or the helicopter or call a friend say Brown Half region or the helicopter and I didn't tell the offer from ye be catch us who says scan as we ne ma basa wonka wo be catch say wo wa memu na ye papa wana ka say mahama memu ye papa obi ma kire me ade a wo ye sonko ye papa one social intervention policy one na me so nko one okay ebi ni ho what's so na moti odwama nu be this
o mind Dr. Kwesiche in the politics now we in the trim currently politics are issue based sa some now Kwesiche betina or ye former president no dey flight eko me busa question say I fit also helicopter
o ye president or the helicopter
na as commander in chief of Ghana for so one form dem kwa na Dr. Kwesiche me busa say also the flight no call also the flight no cost Sunyane me say me man time on board flight kura His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Chatai and asend no wotua me hu as compared to the president or wasting ye sika paying $14,000 per hour. Aside your pack otua. You see sometimes let's focus on the issues.
Let's go.
Currently on the issues, Ghana has a your debt to GDP ratio is not almost 104%. Ukraine there is 60%. Ukraine now want to see no. So if His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Kacha say Ukraine now didn't see they are not even being affected by it as compared to Ghana as here. Odika. The same Ukraine currently inflation in Ukraine is 28%. Ghana inflation is 53%.
Yeah.
Into we catch me say Russia Ukraine and Ghana ye ho 3 years here me dwen ho ana menti ase. Hasn't the German embassy told you say mo reduce mo government size because e ka ho na ma Ghana ye spend this. Civil society organizations in country mo say mo over 60 billion now ma waste as a result of corruption. So 60 billion mo kwa ko pay mo 3 billion from IMF. Mo waste 60 billion as a result of corruption. What you say on kan no ho asem. Say obi call Sunyane and on from one half from saying His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Dr. Kwesiche Nana Akufo-Addo be the president. Emprahin and what na ke mu kura free Accra be Kumasi. Oba Kumasi dia ye de neba besi. Okuma obebe Kumasi. His Excellency the former president John Ajekum Kufuor. Those times Oba Kumasi you would see say Oba offer from the
Nana Akufo-Addo ba no afa flight no ba be Kumasi. Oman so no the girlfriend account. And no be a year no mo ba.
Hello, please.
No, but
please,
sometimes we don't want to go to some of these issues.
The issue is this. You don't have any street proof said Nanado
but Sewaboni told us that. Sewaboni told us that in one of the funerals on Okumasan, on the buy, they used the presidential jet.
How do you conclude Sewaboni and another girlfriend?
But
if the lady is alleged, use it allegedly,
fine,
please.
No problem. So the lady alleged, say, only president no, and a video ne picture of child private jet no see who ye. Only His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo flight from Accra to Kumasi. And so let's now catch him say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama on for ma. Well, some now can me this and now refuge. Don't go there. Don't go there. Now on the issue of Russia-Ukraine war, see, and COVID, Yakacha say, and we all know it's a fact that Ghana received almost $6 billion as a result, which was I went for as a result of COVID. Says you can the Boakye Hobra. You came to sit here and talk about faculty school wasam. Eka see to school out of textbooks. After 3 years, they introduced a new curriculum. Up till now, schools omunya new textbooks.
The new textbooks are in now.
No, time and buy.
They are in now.
No, time and buy.
It's been distributed.
You see, how many years did it take for the textbook to be
very good? If that one you're saying, I agree with you. But they have textbooks now.
Of money. No, but you see. I see a catch on someone called IMF. I am say someone called IMF. Now mutena see hanya even mo finance minister catch say IMF obi obeka say of akosi jeminu shama catch him say obi a work can say yenko IMF bia eyebonsam. You said that. Finance minister catch say NDC ni bia obeka say.
Me say that it was about the e-levy and then the IMF.
And then you chose the IMF
please. You choose IMF ahead of e-levy.
Yeah, because me kind me prefer no can say I had to say busuan I see obi ewo ni akoye yie. Ya ka se yakoje busuan o papa kwaku ha. Papa kwaku de mra beto ho am e bedroom ye bi ko de man be si press. This can de ahwe ho a. E better since e be ko akoje busuan. It may still stand by that. I love you know your juma.
Your description together with the finance minister and the deputy in actually and say NDC 4% Ghana go into Moka IMF. Today, Mako, the lateness and the Yababi baby do. Senkamu take his decision earlier and Kianko could do baby dream. You spoke about airports, so I could see Sunyani Airport here. And I say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Nyetri. Wait, terminal train needing.
Oh, yes,
money. I see allow it.
He does that.
No, your microphone is off, and please, he could have interjected. Allow him to flow. Hello,
you see, in the issue of infrastructure, talk about airports. Then a John Dramani Mahama in Ghana has it. Nentua Manu Ababe renovate an already existing one. Oh, can wasam. Now the whole airport and then the others and then
as a Tamale airport was.
No, I'm saying that if you've come to do some, men kase obi buy one yeshe. Because what is there for for people to see in Ewo and no do terminal 3. I mean, say or mine look at the development there. Into boy and what His Excellency John Dramani Mahama said, and then you sit here and condemn the man. And then Etigan has it. So mine won't say yeah, and it's a very passionate and Michelle Tuntun that just last year 18 members of the Ghana Institute of Contractors as a result of certificate to raise a choir into yaka. And then in the construction sector, and I'm appealing to the Ghana Institute of Contractors. The president of Ghana Institute of Contractors said, yes, no, I did we say no, because me I'm a construction student. A china se me na se me pia me nya adwuma all because of IMF net debt. Your friend saying DDEP, domestic debt exchange program. Into construction companies be bregu and then contracts cost on MPP for a year of roads and why all those contractors and the recent one is contractor hey they have to lay off a lot of workers just recently. This is what we are talking about. I don't know idea what say of a position uba can want some no address say you know just because currently last year not toothpaste near 9 cedis after October and the toothpaste near 20 Ghana cedis. This is the real situation on grounds. And Muna Muwaso, Abrebian PP are buying percent and no communicate. They still make reference to 6 years back and talk about John Dramani Mahama. Currently, Muna Mu perform your performance is the poorest. And ambassadors in the high commissions are Ghana and Kasachira Mumunti. You don't talk about those ones. Mon kasa about the high cost of living. Usi no bi da car si we chira say so that there. Sa doom so issue na de biam ko. And nano me ne we share wa unua ba akọ ka say NDC solved doom so before living. Mo ba ye mo say ye na de doom so ba ye no. Then na mo de kan ho. And Omanhene, let me correct this doom so issue. As a person who is interested in infrastructure, doom so started even before His Excellency John Ajikun Kufuor. Obiara ba considering capacity and then population, because nipa no AC dan more no na the capacity no increase on the national grid. As of 2010, na Ghana your population, no, as of 2008, the year 2000, na Ghana your population was about 18 million. 18 million no, your capacity and wo ho a your friend is akosombo down. Na it me fa. But after 10 years, which was 2010 no, we realized that the population had increased twice. That was about 32 million Ghana, 32 million population. 32 million population depending on the same Akosombo Dam. Obi wo ho ba yo se there bi. Ade we si yasoso so anu at this time. Be man sin nsuo man san wa ham. Me de maba, mesim na de wo se me ye bia to solve this issue no me ye. Oba ye or the ato abobai. Oba ye obeye aboaze. Oba ye obeye your friend is saying or the Ameri by car power. Ameri chrono the buy na mo kwa ho asem mo ka kire en say the Ameri was fraudulent no. Gloria Kufu, who was then the Attorney General, told us that no deal no was right. And ultimo suma Boakye Jako then Emo ko Dubai together with Addison. Emo ko Dubai omo kono Ameri for na sakita omo. They came back and they report every president. Actually, the president Mekachire and say he was misled by the report. After now, Attorney General advisor Kacho say Ameri deal was the best. Now, see Kumasi any issues I see excess power. Any Ameri na ni see kwa. So today you sit here, no Makache say, and then people can megawatts, even if it is 1 megawatt. I'm challenging of Akwesiche here to mention even a single megawatt of power.
Oh, they have added some.
Take it from 20.
They have added some. Oh, they have relaunched. Three. When you go to Tamale, if you look it has been done. So far, there's about.
If you look at
the government has added almost about 100 and over.
100 over.
Oh yes,
that's what I'm challenging Dr. Kosiche to give me the facts.
I wish Kosiche could do that.
I'm challenging him to give me the facts of that.
Has just launched,
right? And so you look at His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the contribution even to the energy sector, the contribution to the infrastructure of this country in terms of road, in terms of hospitals, in terms of schools, any idea. You can't compare yourself to him. MP before the doom so na de bia na doom so and so ene motiwa nka say John Mahama solve doom so John Mahama solve doom so utie bi so John Mahama solve doom, and I've given you empirical evidence to show said the man actually solved it. And Ghana currently we have excess power. Sa deal na mutim betwam no after 6 or 7 years mutimi twam because deal no was authentic. And the America plant no abe Ghana dia. Aren't you even happy? Dr. Waziche said ne woma also omo ye free SHS no omo na bobo mu nsua de na omo benya nkania e de ahwe buku mu asua de amana ko mutrim. Aren't you even happy that we are even adding people to the national grid as a result of Obi vision onya some time ago? And so Dr. Waziche mesrem mamo fa COVID ni Russia Ukraine enye argument biom. Because my chairman say Ukraine hono omo inflation quite 28. Ghana hana yet say some thousands of miles away. We are 53%.
So for you, the former president is right in saying that.
He is right. Look at the amount. We had 6 billion as a win for us.
Kwesiche says, why does he go outside Ghana and says that COVID-19 and Ukraine-Russia war has devastated Africa to the extent that we are almost running bankrupt? But he comes to Ghana and tell Ghanaians that you can't use COVID-19 and Russia-Ukraine war as an issue of excuse.
Omanhene, it's a very simple one.
Help me.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, before diplomatic, how do you call it, in diplomatic missions. It is true, said COVID affected Africa. No two ways about that. But then share the impact of the effector. And only idea no can wasem. And only idea millions of Akwesiche NTS. Because sa COVID ya yena globally. Emuana obi you. But who compare Ghana any neighboring countries, me go even beyond your neighboring countries. Now show more performance as compared to ours. It leaves much to be desired. Ubusan and World Bank country director catch even before COVID. Na Ghana, the situation was challenging. Intino say bank the conversation, any argument now on Russia, Ukraine, and as a COVID. Now we mistake because we 6 billion as windfall from domestic and external sources because of COVID-19. Na ene patch up at 3 billion.
To say a memo bonnet.
Exactly. Enya memo bonia. Yaka say the ministers are also umfi. Yaka and the German ambassador catch say if you want Germany to intervene between one China issues, ama China for a drag you mufita. Reduce the size of your government. Because China sebi omo modi sikama uno. Omo government size endru wodi and German ambassador was right to put it say even Ghana your ministers say omo do sin Germany ministers omo. But they are not borrowing at that spree. They are not on that borrowing spree. Bobosia, omo bibi also. And so please, on the issue of COVID, any Russia Ukraine, let us end that argument and conversation today. Of a question,
all right.
Because Nanka enye $3 billion we and
also hold it there for me. Grace Gift Herbal Clinic. Kumasi Oshim School Junction by Kese Kwaso. So na be here won and crying. New Achimota Petroleum Banglo. Sabia oba or how bia ne amani awonam no de be die be boa pa. Stroke, diabetes, hypertension, hepatitis, typhoid, malaria, ulcer, prostate cancer and enlargement. Penis enlargement obesi ebiemu mawa. And afa wuntumi nwa fa be die. Na ye share skin diseases ne yade ahodo san say ye de quantum pono ne de ofaso ye number doctor na mu ye 0543 320030 0543 320030 and 0244 126123 Shannon so Sankofa natural spices ye de kane esuru wisa from wisa garlic ginger nkete pepper and rosemary money dia ya chese wo yo ba na se ukodwa so na wan to sankofa mafia me yaduane a wo de yade na eba fie enchini nim emfa preservative emfa kalanka ho emfa ensikire su ngum etunya bidia se jollof or chicken beef spaghetti fish ana dish bia wo ye no ye 10 varieties emma power specialist herbal clinic akosi aduaya obo adwuma na se amukota se koji award herbal for the best hepatitis B hospital ye de amano enti se wa call ni a diagnose you A B C D E akahwan arthritis, gonorrhea, syphilis, broken bones, ulcer, hernia, kidney problems in no fakodine akosi aduaya power specialist hospital na ye branch no Kumasi ano fe yase eye legbo somchezi se akwan ni dem sa kwan de ma membo aban abaso pa ene ukwa atonso a he just we need 1 minute kra 2 minutes na wadu just I say ama prosi for no gina kwan so ma so aye pa akwasi oh ka ni nyina na what me yo lie yes mama you dey me we are che wo dey Herbatin Herba Mr. Ojaso immune booster kese Jirika jiri bema unya male vitality adroya ememo aye bema wompem adroya herbal malamix general bodily pains and fever and a cough care so if you bo ekosro yade bia ho be free ho herbal tonic no multi TBD 0244 544422 0244 544422 and 0200 383831 0200 383831 and 0555 797878 Shannon so do any ebechere ehonomo 3A Herbal Center yani adi 3A cold capsules aba Shannon so edino your friend 3A cold capsules se koko yawa niama miensa ne si abrabom pals na besi utu anase ase o scrotum hono ahonomo ansana waist pains kese usisitimi yawji ujo ho ba bi anye na no na nchen kra nsusu no afei sa akosa ugoja na so I am team constipation it will be a koko ayaro no tifie na wo su a no okamu ayeno a mesraw 3A Herbal Center de Coco Master ba ukoko lenak Danny Herbal Misty Apidank ubenyebi your number is 0546 107 107 0546 107 107. Welcome for Nochi Ra Bank PLC. A year boafo no. A year befie mu twam ho ntwa mane halfo ani kire ho. Bibia be koso kama the amount. A short term loan. You granted to customers and not non-customers. No more to me organizing my year. Adea na wo hia invitation card adekosia ye no. Abusia signature. Afe Ghana card. Afe death certificate. Afe proof of death. Bia dia dance so wu. And a mortuary receipt. Baby am na kwhye no. Unya we now the bar. Ebe kabo somi ansa na ye na babosia ne downsem. Flexible interest rate so. Eti sell say eja abeto fie na eja dum. Na sa ahokyra ba say wo na me you papa yi a okonfano Chirua Bank PLC for ni kire obebia. Hwe me yamu ya. Me didi ana me bre. Me da me na. Me koko hyehyeme. Me boya me chewchew. Me ti dwame. E ho ha na me ni su bre me. Afa me didi kura aduane no enyam ye. Mitimi se me minima wo saa da bia na me minima se pompo bi kura bo ho. Me ya fruit mi ka saa aduane tomu a se wo hunu saa de we nyina symptoms of ulcer. And the number one stop shop Ghana dimpa natural health clinic. Ya said that same fie be 9 num aye nhwehwemu ne hunu se ulcer de tetia case mai. Bra ne emfa befo tete abrochire any Ghana hanom herbal products ye kabom ne dia saw yade obia ni obeba dimpa so de ne yefunu keka na yefuru yade ye ulcer aba no asa kwoksa akwa mesrew second floor Willas Towers de chem so kan ho menshia health insurance kane menshia health insurance dan mu na okudru ha doctor ekrada wo pew dimpa yes na hunya o stomach costa the last stop 0245 118434 0245 118434 and 0246 744 744 0246 744 744. Aperitivo non-alcoholic bitter. Unya binuma bowra ni peduani fruit so bepem na ase e ho huru ni peduani mu kama. Obi a ultimi ni die appetite balance. Who did it too much so I bet me to regulate you. Free Italy, the spices, herbs, and the freno fruits ahodo and the aperitivo. Now your ice cubes be good now boy the agwasi. Come obo also man bubia mintimini and your aperitivo, a non-alcoholic drink. 0246 270221 now 0246 270221. Yaksin Herbal Mixture. Yaksin group of companies that they are for malaria and menstrual disorders. Your sexual weakness, you need Yaksin natural capsules. For your bald head, we hear Yaksin ointment. Young man also true. Maybe you need the sakura no empire. Me twam sakura nyende bi ja me tiri be fua ma ahwa be fua afurukra ba wa pampa mu pa no na no me hebo amasa me hu se twaba ma recommend the Yaksin ointment wa nkoto de ono anasema enka ye wa mamule kumasi asta ha ya se ubu nsa na wo bre ana malaria nechna wa ye mre won pam Coco how Yaksin ko kan ho friend number 0244 723 541 0244 723 541. Awasi mami too. What did they now send me?
Mama speaking or come out outside now.
That's how Francis say.
Oh, me bajo. What's it? What is that?
Francis say asema awokano. No the effect of the COVID no. And no come out. Okay, catch it. I've sent it to you so you can work on it for me. Mami too.
Was it the effect of the? But it's all with a question. Be say how long na be take yansana echo or something.
I will say how long did it take?
How long did the Dunso take before it went? Dunso no design. What's why was what we do so? When I saw we do so, it is say in fear num. In fear enum. When a modi call, a friend saying this time when Sakopedia man I said, I said, Bibi de doom so. And so I know to them has a own house so would do so. Me was only a train fear mamma call for, and you must say, You see the type of people are omu wa ya no omu kasa sese o. Ghana for mama mani na ho. Eye nyatwem e na oye. Ayi andisi for ne mahama. Mahama na mi bibie no waka. E fi se wo sha se e free water region. Me pese wan kasa Omanhene. What you need se e de ben waka pa ato asum. E de ben ade ba ko e na mahama aka. Because his excellency nam ya no open position no. Be this about no naka opie baby about free education ana me boa one district one factory one village one dam na hotini nyina mahama nanti e ade ba de pa na waka anya atani ane nsem o be ka fa nkofo ho na memwo we ane wo de na obebu ye no wo be ka se wo de na better say his excellency memwo we
o se memwo boni
onu anga se onim ase ye no nwa
enwa wa se
okosi kwamu a okodu ayi anu okokro ni e friend say baby okokasa yi our brown half region ekwan na wonam so na ye ne de ekwan papa wonam so na ye ne de what I say odu airport won so na ye ne fe na ne je ho etimi gina ho etwitwa na ni a fine ansa na wo to aso de akọ enema aba we ye de ma Ghana fo e wa ha enye bi ni de ma ma ekeka no kra wo busa kan ya asem hwe kalio when is the solar plant
that's what I wanted to have
na me pesa me kacha no onim de oka omu do mu je jakona ha ya no mu kasa o afa hwe plant kase a wo mu kosi wo kasoa hwe plant omu de besi poku ase
government has added almost about 120 or more megawatts
and I'm also no kwa won se power ni nyina na free fa ko na eba it omu yes omu be separate no se be ya enye choked up and then asante we nyina ye the transfer power na kasa no kra no plant na kasa wo what they say or for constituency yes a president by my Kubia no. Eti dem ade na woka. Ene ya wo hwe solar panels a wo mo de gu so wo bui dam ne so a. Enya de da form. Apart from Kalio, apart from the omu ye no other places a eboa makane anakoso. Na me throw the same question a man say.
Yeah, energy ministry adds 200 megawatts of power.
Tell him
to the national grid.
O kasa no mu dwo manum. Edi say na dum so ne koye. Ya wotimi be dwo manum so madum so ko. Obi kan de ya wo se e che yansa na eko. Eti owura sa na ade ne che eti o ma me gidi se ye nyina ne ma ye ni na ho na Ghana fo ye nsam se mo ma ni na ho NDC fo ni bibia mahama nam nyina wo play on people's emotions ama fo nsam a wo mu kan bia wonim se bia obetimi de ada da nipa no eno na ogina wa wo kan wasem na kanya asem pa ne ye kan de be na wo kan na wayi a friend say kofo de ma se na nete president je kofo ja wakonwa no na e ka ye di nyina ye 9 billion 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 ube page free 9 edi ko 123 billion
122 facts
23 eda ho
122
ode use 22 upa akra use 20 upa use 120 billion from 9 to 120 billion na twa de odi ye media me gidi se ka se obi agiska ne abusa de a odi ska ne ye ansa na wo argument bia obetimi ne naka one naka
okay
it is 120 billion no che ye de odi 120 ne ye ne che ye dwumadi a aba na de 500 ne ye wow ada make me problem but ye betimi a kyerɛw said na open aban a waye railway sector ne yie pa no a ayam pipi aban tematum pakadan is there afenya railway station is there for you the biggest bridge or the one of the bridge kasia is Africa ha aye bi ni ba bia the railway bridge over the water lake na no kra ho kai say awon kan o say
awa kwasi
ku fia we dia ba che say
akofa bu
me pa cho mane ma mi nwa de na
ko so mo nwei catch is it done
yeah me pa cho
mami tie ono so
contractors no o say aban intua contractors ka asa na do be fa akunya no na contractors be ho ya di o mu ka o and this is for the contractors be breaker ya no ntua ye omo nyina di sa kan nyina ya den e de bra ban we
omo de 11 billion aban no twa bigu man ka 5.7 billion
etina kana ho ana no twa ansa no ko akana no omu ka sa ba we di ka busa se busa bia omu twa no omu twa kansa no omu kwana
aban we ya betua
bebe
but omu so aban omu tua bi okay let's listen to what he said.
So like governments all over the world, it became necessary for African governments to take action to shield their populations from the effects of the epidemic. This meant in many cases an increase in deficits due to unbudgeted expenditures. This has devastated many African economies and sunk them deeper into unsustainable debt and economic downturn.
Unsustainable, devastating. What I said, devastating. No, faculty, mommy. Now, what can we say? Africa, you know, no money. I have devastated problem. Now, the same time, we could see uncle forwards in ha. Now, could never say, and I know the Ajashi, Nakabe no Mudia, and our abandon our Bocania, the idea. Not as a one Casano, or credibility, no Nadia to land. So, when you're credible.
I think some make us of Akwesiche when Tim has touched on two things. Now, on the issue of job losses, as a result of IMF conditionalities, Mankase Odiomoka. That's what the contractors can. It was as a result of IMF now. Or IMF no. Apart from that, no. Senior high school teacher Nibia or Mama Sote said textbooks no. At the senior high school level, what they have are supplementary books are Adea Akye Abia Prof Cam series more teachers for only recommendation to because at the senior high school level schools no textbooks no MI it's not in teacher any annual verify we teach any or child there with senior high school of Akwesiche in wrapping up John Dramani Mahama so who dear I think that book no any green book no it contains the physical and pictures na woman no sabi and now no many we share market say picture be o my free Thailand man who say Thailand picture na da everything in this book is what His Excellency John Dramani Mahama did so person who His Excellency John Dramani Mahama obeye and I say some work am me give this a 2020 manifesto no me hwa park and kan so park and kan 2020 manifesto the people's manifesto no otsre nyomo obeye. But you see, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is a very, very wise politician. Uncle Jina Baby Kokasa His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo. Obe Kasasi etisika so come dey. No beba no nya sika no. Considering where we find ourselves now, Uncle Jina Baby Nkoke can sell na area oba abamu awentimi anya you hold him by the balls. He's very, very, very tactful and wise. And to some moment there now, His Excellency John Nana Akufo-Addo Jina Simpio so kache say as at that time okasa na dokuno 50 pesos no 1 cedi and na dokuno 4 cedis no onya sade no and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no enye momo number 4 na mana kan asem eni he will never do that anyone at the right time semreno so a the bibia beba ma Ghana phone say this is the way forward in rescuing Ghana from the mess the MPP has created.
All right. On that note, we draw the curtain. Akwasi obi akara say who we were here.
Ade wo ni nyina ne se woni bibia aka ana ntronko na obedi ache Ghana oye bema o me hu ne eno amete so now ne rafoka me jiri se ye wa Kennedy buy o ka bibi abata because this is what I want to do obi bia who vie for position no
akuta Kennedy
yes akuta Kennedy
I want to even embarrass say akuto say any alanchremantin chere mo say mo aban nenye I want to cabinet ministers
wakasa odia no ye adwuma kwamrado for wase Mahama ye waste Mahama nye papa wakasa munipa alabi wase body Mahama mo ha mo ho wakasa munipa Lote Jacob omo nyina kasa Mahama is not the choice Mahama ni bibi Lote Jacob just say Lote Jacob to offer the people of Ghana.
Thank you very much.